Hi, homeschooling families. It's your girl, Dedicated Diva. Now, I wanted to make this a really quick video. Hopefully, it can be under 5 minutes, but you guys will see. I have created a Discord server. I rebranded everything inside of the Discord server because I didn't want anyone to get too confused. And I wanted to just show you guys over for a little bit because us as homeschooling families, I feel like sometimes we may need that hand to help us through certain moments and just need someone to talk to in general. So inside of this Discord server, that is just what I'm looking to do. Now I'm going to show you guys now, as you guys can see on your screen, this is my Discord server. Now, right now you are in the new video section. So whenever I post a video over here on YouTube, you guys will see it in this little section. But if you scroll down a little bit, you will come to support tickets. So if you were to come inside and you need help with anything, this would be the section to come to. Maybe if you didn't want to talk it out with everyone else, or you just wanted to ask me a question, you can come over to the support tickets and create a ticket. But besides that, we have a general voice chat just so everyone can chat back and forth with one another. And I also have different channels under each category. So as you guys can see, this is general, or if I have any announcements, it will be here. General is here. Whenever I release a newsletter, it will be here. A lot of these places you guys will be able to just write back and forth. If you wanted to ask a question or needed help with anything, events, or like if I'm holding live workshops and different things of that sort, if you come down to the Homeschool HQ, you will see the ask a question, homeschooling methods, and different things of that sort. Now, as you guys are coming in, if it's earlier in the journey and you guys are listening to this around the beginning of the 2026 school year, everything will be fairly fresh inside of here. But I shut down my website so I could open up Discord and become more personable with you guys. So instead of just feeding out information, I wanted to create a place so we could come and talk to one another. So that's just what you guys see here. And basically everything that you guys see here, it will be a part of this Discord server. You can come in and chat. And one thing I do ask, if you guys don't know anything about Discord, now the general is just where you can talk in general about anything. But to get what you need and to be able to house everything in the correct category, if you need help getting started when you come in, come to getting started. Now, I already have some things here because I've had this Discord for a long time, but I will be basically redoing everything in this Discord. Everything you see here, 9 times out of 10, because I love ChatGPT. Now I have experience. I love ChatGPT to get the little cute aesthetic and everything going on. So basically what I'll be doing, I'll be going over and putting flyers in each one of these. You guys will be able to chat back and forth if you need help with anything. State resources, they will be here. I will have a whole page for you guys to be able to get over to the Substack. It's just basically everything you guys see here. And if you guys come on the inside, you feel like there should be another channel, you can type it either in general or the support tickets. But I just wanted to come and show you guys, I am opening up back up my Discord server. If you guys come on the inside and you guys see some things shifting around, some pages changing, I'm just doing it for the best of the community. Again, I wanted to welcome you guys in. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I will be back with more.